We opened a new clean room facility to support the growing needs of our customers, to develop new products, to launch products more quickly, to work with them really to support their needs in sort of single-use applications. In terms of the investment in the new facility, we've invested significantly over the last 12 months, and we really do see it as a centre of excellence to be at the forefront of single-use technology, supporting the needs of our global customers. From our perspective, it's enabling us to recruit and employ more people in the area. It expands our product portfolio and actually gives our engineering group and our application solutions group a need to be excited about new products, new technologies that we're bringing to market. We've got more capacity, more equipment, we've got more versatility in what we're doing, so we'll be able to turn around samples and trial components more quickly, and then really go into scale up full manufacturing to support their needs and their growth.